Hello everyone. Welcome. Today, we are tackling a common problem with LG UltraGear monitors, no sound. It can be frustrating when your gaming monitor suddenly goes silent. But don't worry, we'll walk through some easy fixes. So, let's get started and bring back the sound to your LG UltraGear monitor. First, let's check the basics. Make sure your monitor's volume isn't muted. Use the monitor's on-screen display, or OSD, to find the volume settings. Increase the volume to a reasonable level. Also, confirm that the correct audio output is selected on your computer. Go to your sound settings. Look for the playback devices. Your LG UltraGear monitor should be listed. Set it as the default device. If you see multiple HDMI options, try each one. Sometimes, one HDMI port might carry audio while another doesn't. Next, let's address driver issues. Outdated or corrupted drivers can cause sound problems. Update your audio drivers. You can do this through Device Manager. Find your sound card. Right-click and select Update Driver. Choose Search Automatically for drivers. Windows will then try to find the latest drivers. You can also manually download drivers from your computer manufacturer's website. Ensure that your LG UltraGear monitor's firmware is up to date. Check LG's website for the latest firmware updates. Follow the instructions carefully. An outdated firmware can sometimes cause audio problems. Now, let's discuss the HDMI cable itself. A faulty or damaged HDMI cable can prevent audio from being transmitted. Try using a different HDMI cable. Ensure it is securely connected to both your monitor and your computer. Consider trying a different port on your computer or monitor as well. Sometimes, a port may be malfunctioning. If you are using external speakers, make sure they are properly connected to your monitor. Check the speaker's power and volume. Confirm that the correct input source is selected on the speakers. Some LG UltraGear monitors have headphone jacks. Try plugging headphones into the monitor. If you hear sound through the headphones, the issue might be with the monitor's internal speakers. This indicates a hardware problem. Finally, consider a factory reset of your monitor. This will revert the monitor to its original settings. Look for the factory reset option in the OSD menu. Remember to note any custom settings you have made before performing the reset. If none of these steps work, the problem might be more serious. It could be a hardware issue with the monitor itself. In this case, contact LG support or a qualified technician for assistance. Hopefully, one of these solutions will fix your LG UltraGear monitor's no sound issue. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more tech tips and troubleshooting guides. Your support helps us create more content. Also, let us know in the comments if you have other problems or fixes to share.